This is the last video of playlist number 5. You need to go on to the next playlist. There's 100 videos per playlist. Video 500 is the last video of playlist number 5. So you need to move on to playlist number 6. If you want to continue on the playlist on the current Kanji Coder channel, the playlist you're currently on, this video, if you want to continue with the series as it is right now, tinyurl.com/bomb-playlist-006. Now, if you think my videos are a little bit too short and need more explanation of the code, you can go to the 10-minute per video playlist, and that's going to be on tinyurl.com/boom-playlist-006. That's on the Ninja Coder channel. If you just like technical demos, you can go to Weeb Playlist 006. If you want the source code for this video, you can go here, and you can email me here. So we are working on rewriting this game we made in Flash back in 2012. So this is the basic mechanics. It's kind of like Bomberman, except the bombs can explode in different directions, and they don't all explode at the same time, so they can kind of chain react, right? Fully destructible geometry. Here's the save file format that we're currently working on, and a little thing I made in the engine, the rewrite, a little more of the old game here, and so the bombs, when you go past them, they light up and they tick, and then they eventually explode. Also, Alice can break things with her head, which is pretty cool. This is a pretty cool game mechanic. The game mechanic is really fun, but we really need to make a much better rendering engine. I don't want to make a crappy-looking retro game. I know that the engine currently kind of looks retro, but in the end, we want the same bomb mechanics of the old game, but we want just more interesting level design. I want it to feel very immersive. So I've been watching a lot of Castlevania walkthroughs to figure out how to make good level design and make level design immersive. Let's see what happens. So if you want to follow along with this journey of making a new engine for a new game, then like, subscribe, follow, and do all that good stuff. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO.